Hello everyone, today I'll try to show you how we can prepare the trailer for loading. Let's get started. We begin by taking apart the trailer. We need to loosen all the clamps here. If we want to raise the roof, we need to remember that these straps must be loosened. So we need to unhook them on one side and on the other side. The front hood is loosened. Now we'll proceed to open the tensioner of the side curtain. Remember to pull the handle toward you until the tarpaulin unfolds. Here we have a small metal plate we can use to help lift it. And this way we have pulled out the tarpaulin. Now we'll slide the tarpaulin to the middle. We'll remove the sideboards. Let's open the front of the trailer. Let's open the stanchion. We'll slide it to the middle. And to raise the roof for loading, we'll open the doors and lift the hood. Let's lift the hood. If we didn't lift the hood before raising the side of the trailer, the door hooks could catch on the hood and pull the doors off. So remember, if you're raising the side, lift the hood first. On each of our pillars, the rear one, the one on the opposite side, on the front pillars, there is an actuator. To raise the roof, we need to twist the actuator. Then, using the handle, lift the hood up. And we can see how the roof rises. Once it's raised, we'll do the same at the front of the trailer. As I mentioned before, remember to loosen the straps. If we didn't, we wouldn't be able to raise the roof, because this clamp here would hold the strap and the entire roof. The roof is raised, so now we can start loading. The height inside the trailer is 2.80 meters, but we've loaded goods that are 2.90 meters tall. To avoid damage, we can do the following, which I'll now show you. As we can see, this pin here, the roof lock is set at 2.80 meters, which is the standard trailer height. However, we want to have 2.85 meters inside the trailer. Remember, we must do this on every pillar and on every stanchion. We pull out the locking pin and move it to 2.85 meters. That's 5 centimeters higher. And we must do the same on the stanchions. Here it's set at 2.80 meters, but we need to set it at 2.85 meters. And we have to do that on every stanchion and every pillar. Now, when we lower the roof, we'll have a height of 2.85 meters. The roof is now 5 centimeters higher. Let's lower it at the front. And now, the inside of the trailer is 2.85 meters high. After unloading, we should return the height to normal. Move the locking pin back to 2.80 meters. Do the same with the stanchions. Let's restore the height to 2.80 meters. This must be done on every stanchion and every pillar. Now we're back to the default height when we lower the hood. We can see it's back to its original position. Once we've put the sideboards back on, let's close the side curtain. Remember that the pipe should fit properly into its slot. Now the pipe should easily fall into its locking point. Let's start tightening the tarpaulin. Do this carefully. Don't pull too hard to avoid breaking the mechanisms. Tighten until you feel resistance. When the roof is raised to a chosen height, the tarpaulin straps will be too short. I'll show you how to loosen them. Hold the strap and move the buckle up and down to loosen it. Now we can see the strap loosening. We can loosen it even to this length. To return the strap to normal length, hold it here and lift it by moving the buckle up and down. And this way the buckle is tightened. Once the tarpaulin is secured, we need to lock the hood. Let's close the rear hood. And that's how our trailer looks after unloading. Thank you for watching, and I hope I was helpful. See you in our next video.